Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Now, I do want to let you in a little something that sometimes you may see at ULTA that may be something that you see but not understand what you're seeing. Explain. So basically, sometimes you will see some of the employees huddle up. Sometimes you'll see them, you think they're chit-chatting or whatever so ever. Most of the time, we do have vendors in our stores, so we will be getting trained and we will be getting, just knowledgeable about information for like maybe events that are coming up. So we have to be knowledgeable about the products. That's one. Number two, sometimes you will see us with a phone on our hands. That is called a MIA. Most of the time, those are just to do what we call bogus orders, order online, pick up in store. Sometimes you will also see us on our phone, personal phones, sometimes for training purposes. We do have training videos for us that we have to do to train and be knowledgeable about a lot of products in our store. So that's a couple of little things I hope you guys understand and see. So sometimes when you're wondering why is she or he on the phone, that could be one of the reasons. All right, so this is another thing I notice sometimes customers don't understand is when you go to the register, we do ask you for your phone number. Now, number one, we want you to earn rewards and points. The more points you get, the more free stuff you get. So that is the best. And you also get a free birthday gift. We definitely want you to earn and get those extra points and that extra 20% off that qualifies for pretty much anything in the store. Obviously, Chanel, Dyson, and so on will not qualify. So that's the number one priority. Number two, if for any reason you lose your receipt, we're able to return or exchange your product. I had customers who refused to give their phone number and try to come back and return the product, but sometimes they lose the receipt and there is no way we could track it. And we will accept it, but the only thing, you're going to get the lowest price point. And I had where Chanel has brought it down to 5 cents and they get so upset. So please just become a member. Just makes it so easy, or just save your receipt. All right. Number two, credit cards. I know some people are like, oh, no, I don't want to get a credit card. All right. So here's another one. So credit cards. Some people don't know we do have a credit card that gives you those extra points. You get double the points every time you use it, which is really, really nice. Now, if you shop at ULTA, believe me, this is a no-brainer, has no annual fee, which is really nice. And I would tell people just use it like a debit card. Basically, spend what you have and then just pay it as soon as the bill comes in, and you are honestly, you're fine. You're building your credit and you already have credit. You're basically getting those extra double points regardless, which is super nice. Now, some people are like, no, I have too many credit cards already, and that's okay. It's definitely your choice. It's just something that will help you honestly in the long run. So keep that in mind. All right, now let's talk about the app on the phone. So please, customers, please, if you're already a member, definitely the first thing you should do, wake up every morning and just go on your app and you will see where it says messages. Most of the time you get extra points. There's super good deals, especially right now with Black Friday coming in. Definitely take advantage, get those extra points. The faster you get those points, the faster you can get free stuff. Believe me, I had a customer who bought the Dyson for 5 cents. Come on, you guys. The Dyson is like, what is it, like $400 or $500? So that is not bad. Right now, ear wraps are going crazy. It's also by Dyson, obviously. So keep that in mind. If you want to just, buy what you normally buy, but then get a big, huge amount of product, that's usually what we use it for. I honestly use it for my salon. So when I get my points, I want to get my hair done. Boom, my hair is free. All right, so here goes another one. Coupons. If you go to ulta.com, you could definitely save $3.50 or 20% depending on what's out there at the moment. But just keep in mind, most of those coupons do qualify for non-prestige items, which is going to be like Maybelline, NYX, and so on. So keep that in mind. So definitely go ahead and get that before you go into the store. Screenshot it if you have to and just show the cashier. And go ahead and save. Before I forget, point system. So when you redeem your points, I highly suggest redeem them when you get to either 1,000 points, which equals $50, or 2,000 points, which equals $125. Now, once you're at 125, which is a 2,000 mark, that is a perfect time if you want to spend. Just because between, like, you get to the $3 point to like 1,000 points, that is a big jump, and it gives you like those extra bonus points. Now, once you get to the 2,000, it just goes a little bit slower, but keep that in mind. But the more you save, the more money you will have, believe me. Now, for all my ULTA employee peoples, if you guys have any suggestions, and I'm talking about anybody that works in ULTA all across the U.S., let us know. What are your tips and tricks?